Okay, can we just talk about this campsite? Look at that. We got ducks. Look at that. It's parked right here. There's the lake. Lake Catherine State Park. Hell of a start.
If you're new here, hi, I'm Johnny. This is little Wyatt, and we're traveling the country together in our 25-year-old van named Vandolph the Gray. So if you enjoy the outdoors, budget travel, camp cooking, and all the things that come along with van life, we hope you'll join us for the adventure.
We have made it. We are in Arkansas, near Hot Springs. We're at a place called Lake Catherine State Park, right on the Wachita River. Maybe it's Wachita Lake, one or the other. Drive-in was beautiful. And have I mentioned how much I love the state of Arkansas? Just absolutely love it. I think the national park there, Hot Springs National Park, which we're gonna go to tomorrow, shouldn't be a national park. It should just be like a Key West type place, but anyway, that's an opinion for another time. Anyway, Lake Catherine. Pretty. We've got a beach here. Got a great campsite right on the lake, it looks like. It's just so peaceful here. We've got a beach. Little Wyatt's happy. Been on the road for about 7 hours today. Tired of driving. So tired of driving. He's tired of riding. Now it's time to relax. We're gonna go visit a waterfall here in a bit. I'm gonna go visit this beach. Just go explore Lake Catherine. Follow along. Well, we just parked, and I just don't feel like setting up camp yet. I've been driving for 7.5, almost 8 hours. He's ready to go. I'm ready to go. So we're just gonna go exploring first. Set up camp later. Let's go see what Lake Catherine State Park's all about. It appears like we have 3 different options for hiking here. We're gonna do the red. I wanna go see that. 2 miles. Should be perfect. I stretch these legs and those legs. This looks perfectly fine. Are you growling at the bridge? What? What? Where are you gonna go? Wyatt! Come on. This way. Sketchy bridge is sketchy. Don't you jump off the bridge. Good boy. Good job, buddy. Good boy. We're almost there. Come on, make a run for it. Come on, run for it. Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy. Okay, we made it to a waterfall. And about 1 million other people. Sunday afternoon, probably a bad idea for this hike, but whatever. We're gonna try it again tomorrow, where there'll be nobody here. I just know it. But this is pretty. A little waterfall. So, little Wyatt has made it to his 4th national park. We are at Hot Springs National Park. We're doing the mountain scenic view. It's 3.5 miles. Go straight up a mountain. And then here's the payoff. Look at that view. Alright, so I guess we have a observation tower. I don't know. Just found a good parking spot. We're just gonna walk around and explore. It's so pretty up here. Well, as pretty as that view was, imagine what it would be from way up there. he's imagining too. Look at that, it's so high. You can see it from down below, down from the street. But this is the first time I've made it all the way up here. Getting a better impression of Hot Springs National Park. I want it to grow on me. Welcome to Hot Springs National Park. I feel like one of the strangest national parks that we have. I say that because it's in Arkansas, so there's a lot of natural beauty, which I love. I'm right downtown right now, you get things like this. Pretty cool, natural springs. Hot Springs National Park, however, there's bars, there's restaurants, there's a downtown, there's a few hikes. It's just weird, man. When I go to national parks, my expectation is natural beauty. That's what Arkansas is known for. It's actually called the natural state, is their motto. But Hot Springs National Park is just, well, it's a lot of this. Let me show you.
Are you buying stuff too?
He might be.
When you look at me, oh, there's still two lovers.
So there were a couple of hikes that I didn't get to do because I had to, well, I had to poop really bad. So I had to come back down here. Bit of an emergency, if you will. But I guess overall, like, Hot Springs is an awesome town. It's fun. There's so much stuff to do here. There's so many restaurants, shopping, great hotels, resorts, golf, all that kind of stuff. It's just a great town. Cool little like hot springs throughout the town itself where you can fill up with your own water. I don't know, it's just neat. It's just a neat, fun town. But I don't think it should be considered a national park. And that's just my humble opinion. Oh, dude. Go back to camp. You ready? You hungry? Let's go. Well, today has turned out to be sunny and beautiful and bright and hot. So we're back at camp after our experience at Hot Springs National Park, and this is a disaster. Partially because of you, partially because of me. So we're gonna clean all this up and get prepared for the road. Tomorrow we head into Oklahoma. Very excited about the Wichita Mountains, even though back to crappy rain again for 3 days. So we're almost to Santa Fe, where it's still 68 and sunny. Anyway, let's clean this mess up. Let's go. Okay, well that's about 1,000 times better. Clean. What do you think, little dude? Got a clean place again? Swing that back. Yeah, much nicer. I got this little thing. I don't know, I saw it like on a TikTok shop or something like that. It's for pet hair and carpet. So basically, like after you kind of sweep up a little bit, you take this and what used to be what looked like clean carpet. Look at all this dog hair. Look at all that. And then you can just vacuum it up. This thing's rad. I'll link it somewhere down below. Worth it. Now for the piece de resistance. I love this. Carpet. And here, pillows, seats. Yes, sir. Ah, it smells so good in here. So I have spent the day, a very, very hot day, inside the van, right there, doing some work. Episode 1. which is when I left Ocala, which was only a week ago. And now here I am, just sitting here at sunset, admiring some beautiful ducks. We've got a little Wyatt. It's gonna be a crazy sunset. We've got some beautiful clouds. So doing a time lapse here. So that's what's happening here in the great state of Arkansas. I love it so much here that I decided to stay one more day. The plan was to go to Oklahoma tomorrow, to the Ouachita Mountains. Nope, the Wichita Mountains. But it is 90% thunderstorms, which there's a thing about Oklahoma and thunderstorms that you shouldn't be in. I feel like Kansas, Oklahoma, Nebraska, those sort of like flyover states, you should not be there during thunderstorms. So I'm gonna skip that for tomorrow and go there Wednesday and Thursday, and then take the drive to Santa Fe on Friday. So same game plan as to be in Santa Fe on Friday, just here one more day. It's so peaceful, man. Lake Catherine State Park. It's so nice here. Alright, this is where I'm going to leave you. Thank you for hanging out. Appreciate you. If you like this sort of content, hit that, subscribe button. Just let's hang out. Come on. I'm just hanging out. Look at me. Just hanging out. You could be hanging out with me. Come on, let's just hang out. All summer long. Let's do adventures together.